What's up, guys? It's your boy, Abundance Run, checking in with you. Stay tuned. I got a new project that I'm about to work on. So definitely stay tuned. Let's check it out. All right. Boom. All right. Now, what do I got here? I found a bike that was thrown away. Set out for a few days and nobody showed it no love. So eventually, I said, I'm just gonna do something with it. I love bikes. I rode bikes as a kid. In life, when I was by myself, I ended up getting me a bike from this dude on the street. He sold me a nice bike for like 25 bucks, I think. So I scooped it. So I scooped the bike. So looks like this bike didn't get no love. It's been outside, you can tell the chains all rusted. Look, I have made nothing to it. The rim, the tube ball, everything you see is exactly how I found it. And as you can see, that basically it's a nice bike, right? Little kid bike, BMX style bike, but just didn't get no love at some point. It happened. So Ron C, Bonus Run, is gonna get a bike for love. Tubes. Decided to go ahead and start on this project. I got another project, another channel, which you'll be getting introduced to in a few. But for right now, this is what's going on. So I'm about to try to change the tubes, then go put the air in the tire, then hopefully we'll be beginning a new project for me. BMX Run. How y'all feel about that? BMX Run, yeah. I had to get some new ribs there. Sand some stuff down. Just I'm gonna remodel this little project. It ain't gonna be like spectacular, but I'm gonna put some work into it over time. This is my next project. I'm about to go. Yo. Abundance Run, man. We gotta abundify everything. Everything positive, we abundify it. Already. Fixed. Alright guys. Looks like she ready. Probably still need to deflate this one. Because the way I put the rim on, I can still see it, so probably need to deflate it. And put the wheel on there. Make sure it's on there good so it's still right. But outside of that, $12, $13, $14 brought the bike back to looking like something. This cute bike, so it's kind of tight on my side. So maybe ready to seat up some. Handlebars, I may go old school, push them forward a little bit, as I used to back in the day. Maybe come back, put some pegs on it. Just for the image wise, I think I'm gonna be more like a dirt BMX, not really like park BMX. You know, I do want to go to the park and ride down the ramps and stuff and just have fun. So I ain't gonna make this long. Guys, we got a new toy. I don't know what you want to call it. A new recreation now. You did. Got a new recreation now. Ooh. Y'all see it? Got a new recreation now. So hopefully you can get some fun and some nice videos and just enjoy the recreational sport. Peace. Oh yeah.